So I want to show you how to use this budget planner here. It's very simple. You just have to input information into the lighter boxes. In this one, um, I have the currency already input for you. So I'm going to put 2024 here. Just hop over to page 2. I already input some data here. So you just put in your income sources, your income, and then these autofill right here. So if I just add another one and say YouTube, and I say $200, you'll see it autofill. And then if it's recurring, you could check it on here, and that'll bump up this percentage, this recurring right here. If it's not, then you can take that off. I'll just put recurring just for the sake. But if like this side hustle here is not recurring, then you may have to adjust to certain months. Like say you don't make anything in these months, but this one is 255. 350. So it's set on autofill for your convenience, but you can change it manually here. You should only be typing in to these lighter boxes here, and you may have a different color, or you may have chosen a different color because there's 12 color schemes to choose from on this budget planner. So this one is just the blue one, but yeah, there's 11 other choices. So here's all the things that I had input, all the data I input into the light blue boxes. So then you go over to posting, and this is where I posted just a few transactions here just to show you how this works. You see income, and it'll total it all up here. It'll total all your expenses up here, and it'll total all your savings up here, and it'll show you the difference right up here to the right. All this data that you input. This is real-time posting transactions here. And the zero-based budgeting was for you to actually just create the budget. The posting is going to for you to see where you actually fall. So then we go to the monthly overview, and then it'll give you some real-time numbers here, depending on the month you choose, because you could choose a different month. So you could choose February. This page, the only thing you need to change is the month on the top, and then just review all your data after that. You see, there we go. Yeah, the only thing you need to do is just change the month, and then you could see it changes based on what you budgeted, which is that projected. This is the information from the zero-based budgeting. This right here is the actual, which is based on your transactions that you put on posting. And then it just gives you all the numbers that you can analyze here to see if you're on a shortfall on your income or within budget on expenses or anything. Saving shortfall here and a shortfall here, but I just didn't put in all the transactions. I just did this for this specific example. And the same thing you see here for the expense summary, and same thing for the savings summary right here. And then the next page would be the yearly overview. This 2024 pops up because you put that in on the home screen. And so this page, yearly overview as well, there's nothing that you need to type in on this. You should just be able to just click on this page and just review it. There's no data you need to enter because it's all data from the zero-based budgeting and the posting pages. So you just look at all your numbers here from income, expenses, and savings. And then this is the Power Dashboard. This is where you're able to compare 2 different months. So you could change this and put February 1st, and then you could put January 2nd, or, all the other months of the year, whatever you want. And these are the actuals. I just don't have all these input for the month of February. I believe I put more for January just for the example. So yeah, you can see there's more information filled out here for the actual of January versus February. But yeah, this is just showing you how to use this budget planner. Very powerful tool. The only thing you need to touch on the Power Dashboard are 2 months on the top. So you compare, and then all this data is imported from your second and third pages, the zero-based budgeting and the posting. So I made this very simple. So you just input data on those 2 pages on the light blue or the lighter boxes, and then that data transfers over to these other 3 pages where you can analyze your numbers and make some changes from there based on your budget. So yeah, thanks for watching.